In this video, I will show you how to make a shirt in Roblox, which you can then sell in Please Donate if you want to. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm currently here on Roblox.com. So what you want to do first is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Next, if you come up to the top, you've got some options up here. And what you want to do is click on to create. On the next page, what you're going to do is on these options in the bar at the top, you want to click onto avatar items. And then what you can do from here is click the upload asset box. And you want to make sure the asset type at the top is selected to t-shirt. And what you can then do is upload an image to make a shirt. So I've uploaded my image, and what you're now going to want to do is name your t-shirt. So I'm just going to call this one test. I'm going to leave that as t-shirt. And once that's done, just click the blue upload button down here. What it's going to do is take you back to this screen, and you can see the preview of the shirt we now have ready to sell. So to set this for sale, you can see it's currently set to off sale at the moment. So what you want to do is just click onto the t-shirt, and you'll see a toggle button which says on sale. So what you want to do is turn this on and set a price. What's going to happen, you're going to earn 70% of Robux, and Roblox is going to take the other 30%. So if I set this, for example, for 10, then every time this sells, I would make 7 Robux, and Roblox would take the remaining 30%, the free Robux. Once that's done, click the blue save changes underneath. And you do need to have funds in your Roblox account. So to sell the shirt, you can see it says I need 10 Robux, which I don't currently have. But of course, if you do have the funds available, you would save changes and then be able to set this up on your store in Please Donate. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.